What does the @barfoo operator do in Excel, in particular the @ sign? I've seen someone construct what seemed like cell references in Excel that looked like. What is this feature called? Are the rectangular brackets and the @ sign independent, or do they belong together? How does it work precisely? I googled around for a while and tried by hand in Excel, but couldn't get it to work.
The square brackets are used for structured references, which make it easier to reference data in named tables, which you can create by going to Insert Table. The @ is new notation in Excel 2010, replacing #this row from Excel 2007. The @ symbol is used to shorten formulas inside named tables referencing cells in the same row. The inner square brackets are only needed because your *barfoo table heading contains a space.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.